Blueberry muffins are so good that there's even a blueberry muffin day. So let me show you how to make them a little bit healthier and still taste good. Start with taking a blender or a mixer and add in 150 grams of oats. Of course you can also buy oat flour, but for me this is a little bit cheaper and also it's done very fast. In a blender this will take you around 30 to 60 seconds and then it will get very fine. Now the flour comes into a big bowl, followed up by 75 grams of sweetener. I will use stevia. Then I will add in 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder and half a teaspoon of baking soda. If you want, you can add 30 grams of whey protein powder to this. Just think about adding a little bit more fluid like yogurt and milk. Now we'll give the dry ingredients a quick mix to combine everything with the baking powder and soda. Then I will add in 2 entire eggs. The egg yolk is pretty important because I won't add any other fat sources. And eggs in a cake provide 3 things. First off, they bind everything. The second thing is they provide a little bit of lift and fluffiness in the cake. And the third thing is they provide richness from the egg yolk. However, some people don't like the taste of the egg yolk. You can counteract that by adding a little bit of lemon juice or a little bit of vanilla extract. So I will slice up half a lemon and then I will squeeze in the juices in. Always squeeze through your hands so no kernel get inside. Now we'll add in 200 grams of 0.2% fat vanilla flavored Greek yogurt. If you cannot find this, add in plain Greek yogurt and add in 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. And the last ingredient is 100 grams of milk. I use almond milk, but you can use whatever milk that you like. Now take a whisk or a hand mixer and mix this until it becomes a very creamy and smooth consistency. This will take you around 30 to 60 seconds. Now take the baking sheet that you have and add in the muffin cases. I have only the paper cases, but if you have the silicone cases, in my opinion they work best. Now I will add in 2 tablespoons per muffin and the entire recipe will last for 12 muffins. Then I will take 100 grams of frozen blueberries and spread them evenly on every single muffin. This now gets into the oven at 180 degrees Celsius, which is roughly 350 degrees Fahrenheit. As soon as they are done, let them cool down for around 30 minutes and then you can pull them out. Now the recipe without protein powder has 859 calories, 109 grams of carbs, 21 grams of fats and 51 grams of protein. Which means that every muffin has 71 calories, 9 grams of carbs, 2 grams of fat and 4 grams of protein. Now they feel and look like muffins, they are fluffy, they are soft, they are juicy, and in my opinion they also look pretty good. But what's about taste? So I think for a healthier version of a muffin, these taste really good. I hope you will try them out and enjoy them like me. If you let this sit in the fridge for 4 to 6 hours, they will be even better. I really like them if they're cold from the fridge as a breakfast. Really nice. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Click the like button, subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.